Let's see kung babalik yung sigla ng San Sebastian dahil
let's see.
Pinasok na muli ni Coach Roger, sina KJ Junicio at si Kat Santos.
Net infraction.
Net fall by Galisa.
Sabi naman ng mga San Sebastian players, sino? Anong sure na sure sila sina KJ at Von.
Net. Pero minsan kasi sobrang bilis ng mga nangyayari, hindi mo na rin napapansin yan eh. Lalo kapag meron kang, may mga ibang players na nagsusuot ng sleeves. Minsan pag nagbablock sila, hindi na nila nararamdaman na tumatama sa net.
So interesting. Challenge here.
Net touch. Mapua volleyball team. Ang ng vibe ng Mapua.
The player closest to the net was KJ Junicio. So, let's see.
Let's see.
You know?
Sunbella, just having fun.
Oh, may pa-boxing pa si Rhean. Oh, Angel naman.
It's nice to see players just having fun. Ang sarap nung ini-enjoy mo lang yung paglalaro. Yung walang ka-pressure.
Grabe ba ngayon sa pro?
Medyo. May certain pressure, pero at the same time, syempre, kapag pro ka na, alam mong hindi na talaga mawawala yun. So, talagang kailangan mo na lang i-enjoy. Especially for me na medyo nasa, patapos na. Gusto ko na lang i-enjoy ang volleyball.
Pero at least, di ba, Jack, naabutan mo pa yung time ngayon na sobrang laki na ng volleyball dito sa Pilipinas.
Sobrang grabe yung in-improve ng volleyball ngayon. And natutuwa ako na even itong NCAA, ang ganda ng coverage. Nakakatuwa kasi marami na nadidiscover na talents.
Tignan natin yung pag-ikot kung may sikot na tatama sa net.
Parang wala.
Si Von, sure na wala eh. Ready na siya mag-serve.
So challenge successful.
Sumakses ang challenge.
Sumakses. Step by the step.
Oh. Step by the step. Hindi pwede yung success agad.
Di makulangan sending that one outside.
Yun lang, sumakses sila sa challenge. Pero sa serve naman, sumablay. Sayang.
Yun yung mga sayang. Lalo if you're down by 2 sets.
Santos, ayan na. Yan ang kailangan.
Yes.
But Sunbera able to bring it back to the leading stat side. KJ!
More of that for San Sebastian. Mga ganyang sets and execution.
Yeah, sa mga panalo ng San Sebastian, KJ Dionisio always plays well. Kasi kailangan ng tulong ni na Tina at Kat eh.
Yes. And it's a team sports. Kailangan talaga tulong-tulong.
What is happening? Dalawang service error agad. Nga pala, shoutout sa Mapua men's team. Kanina nakita natin Barbie San Andres and RJ Ramos. And Anjo Pertera, who used to play for Mapua, said that this is the best start of Mapua ever. So, it's a championship season for them. That's what they're gunning for.
Drop ball. Donut hole. Yun yung sinasabi kanina na donut hole. Misreceive.
Di makulangan. To the middle.
Bachar.
Grabe.
I knew it.
What a set by Hiponia. This rookie setter is working her magic. Nakita mo yun?
Sobrang relax lang yung set.
Nakita mo yung legs niya, yung nakaangat. That reminds me of how Kyle Negrito used to set it when she was playing in college. I don't know kung sa pro, ganun pa rin.
I think so. Kasi pag may mga na-pick up ka ng habits, minsan mahirap na ibaguhin.
Alam mo yun, Jack, yung humahang time.
Yes.
Yung binibitin yung set, tas yung legs umaangat.
Parang niyo-yo-yo.
Yung mga setters natin may kanya-kanyang forma And now you saw yung on the knees.
On the knees naman.
Nakaluhod, no?
Yes. Daming...
Down on bended knee. Parang nag-propose lang. Habakon.
Libero change. Lazarde back on court.
Point for the Lady Red Spikers. 5, serving, 3.
So Riri Bedural gets a point.
Angel on service line. Jump serve. Good up. Nice. Good effort though. Marasigan working hard.
20 puntos na rin si Tina Marasigan.
Yes. Harap likod si Marasigan. Three service error na, no?
Yeah. So kalahati ng puntos ng San Beda,
binigay lang.
Rian Bedural.
Riri Bedural. Rookie middle blocker. Santos on the drop.
Power tip. Marasigan.
This time, linakasan na ni Kat. Full swing.
Sumakses. Santos finally getting that point.
Now serving, Sofia Ramos.
So una, drop attempt, full swing naman yung pangalawa.
Dapat talaga ganun, yung medyo unpredictable ka. Kasi tulad nga nung sabi ni Coach Roger kanina, pinuputo ka na lang ng pinuputo. Kaya dapat minsan drop bulan mo rin. Coming from a libero, nakakabaliw yun.
Tabla na tayo, 6-all.
6-all.
Oh, Navarro, one-on-one.
Good recovery.
Against Dionisio. Regalo para kay Erin.
Yes.
Erin Navarro.
Kitang-kita niya walang tao dito sa Zone 4.
Great presence of mind at the net by Erin Navarro.
Now serving, Grace Hiponia.
7 points in the match.
Hiponia.
Vaughn to Kat. Donut.
Donut hole again. Pareho lang sila no? Yung kabilang team. Nagbabalikan lang sa donut hole.
Na-late lang yung dolphin dive.
But good attempt.
Basta mag-attempt, di ba? In your
importante. Words. Mahalaga na may attempt. Kahit na alam mong hindi mo na mahahabol. Pero malay mo. There's still a chance na mahahabol or aangat. Kesa hindi mo kinuha talaga.
Gonzalez.
Good angle from Gonzalez.
So San Sebastian takes the lead. And when we come back, Hannah Arguelles will give us another update from courtside.
Nabuo ang samahan ng NCAA at GMA noong 2020 sa kasagsagan ng COVID-19 pandemic kung kailan pinagbawal lahat ng face-to-face events. Ngunit kung ang ibang mga liga ay nagkansela ng kanilang mga season, itinuloy pa rin ang NCAA Season 96 Rise Up Stronger. Online, ginawa ang halos lahat ng mga sports events kasama na ang opening ceremony.
Nagbabalik ang NCAA Siglo Uno Women's Volleyball Tournament. It is a constant back and forth with these two teams, but in a winning group are the Lady Red Spikers moving with finesse and a quickness. A quickness the Lady Stags can't quite seem to keep up with. Kaya ang frustrated na paalala ng Lady Stags sa isa't isa ay dahan-dahan lang at huwag magpadala sa bilis ng kabilang kupunan. With these two teams desperate for another win in the second round, will we be having our underdog moment with the Lady Red Spikers? What do you think, Anton and Jack?
The underdog moment is at hand.
Pero in this game, parang walang underdog. Parehong aggressive. Both teams. Parehong gustong manalo.
Santos, binalik agad ni Navarro.
Grabe.
Power tip. Wow. Yun yung madiin.
Yun. Dapat talaga ang mga middle blockers aggressive sa mga ganyan.
Diin
kung diin. And same, same area kung saan niya tiniin kanina.
May mga run yung San Beda na parang hindi makarecover yung San Sebastian and Janelle Bachar puts it down.
Katulad nun, Bachar. Good angle. Medyo na late.
Inalis ni Von yung kanyang sleeve sa left shoulder.
Baka naiilang din siya or di siya sanay.
Timeout, San Sebastian.
Timeout.
In favor of the Lady Red Spikers.
Again, yung mga drop ball. Tignan niyo yung ginagalaw ng Spikers. Yung buwelo nila at saka yung posisyon ng kamay.
Kinuha mo isang ganda na yung umpisa natin, nag-error na naman tayo. Kat, wala ka nang ginawa kundi maghulog na naman. Taas yung receive.
You can see that she's clearly bothered by that left shoulder.
Yes.
Si Von Di Maculangan, and that's not a good sign kasi siya yung setter.
Yes. Siya yung, kumbaga, manibela ng team. Siya yung nagsiset ng mga plays.
And we did notice kanina na nung natumba siya, na nalagyan na ng weight yung kanyang left shoulder and then we saw her na ininda niya yung sakit. Pero ito pa rin, tuloy ang laban.
Laban lang, sabi nga nila. Wow. Angel feeling herself. Nakakaano yan sa team nakakahawa. Kumbaga parang yung energy, napapass mo din sa mga teammates mo pag ganyan yung level of confidence mo.
She's flying. Angel Habacon.
Habacon, welcome back. Chance ball. Oops.
Navarro. Pati si Erin Navarro sumali na rin.
San Sebastian needs to work on their defense. Medyo magulo yung defense pattern nila doon.
10 points for Erin Navarro.
Number 5, Garcia for number 12. 14, serving, 8.
Malaking factor talaga ang blockings. Good pass.
So the rookie, Divine Garcia, able to get a point.
Garcia.
Now serving, Catherine Santos.
Jump serve. Good pass.
Navarro ang pinupuntahan. Alam nila mainit eh.
Yes.
Gracie Hiponia knows that Erin Navarro is motivated and energized at hiningi pa.
Hiningi pa nga. Sabi nga nila, di ba, if you control the middle, you control the game.
At may ace pa.
At may ace pa.
12 points for Erin Navarro. Wow!
Second technical timeout of the set.
Nangangamoy first win.
Yes.
Para sa San Beda, it's a 7-point advantage now after this ace.
Grabe.
Timeout muna tayo. San Beda up 16-9 in set number 4.
Alam nyo ba na meron ding Kapuso stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz, habang tubong St. Benilde sina El Villanueva at David Licauco. Proud Bedans naman sina Sofia Ceneron,
So, eto na nga sinabi namin kanina ni Jack. Nangangamoy. First
win. Yes. And syempre, kung wala ka pang panalo dito sa second round, talagang gugustuhin mo manalo. Lalo nakabalik na si Angel. Malaking confidence booster.
Now, if you're San Sebastian, kailangan magising sila ngayon. Kasi nga,
must win din sa kanila to.
Hihilahin sila pababa ng
Yes.
San Beda. Ngayon, tabla sila ng Arellano, 6-4. But if they go on to lose this game, bababa sila.
Bababa sila.
6th place.
But what a game by San Beda.
Pati yung mga middle, gumagawa din eh. Si Bedoral, the rookie, and Navarro.
Perfect execution. And kudos sa ating rookie setter, Hiponia.
Yeah, Gracie.
Lahat nabibigyan ngayon eh. Angel taking the lead. Bacolod.
Christina Marasiga.
Marasigan.
Serving now for the Lady Sags, Divine Garcia.
Imploring her team to fight. Grabe.
Angel.
Halos hindi na gumalaw si Hiponia doon eh. Nakatayo na lang, sinetapan na lang si Angel.
Yes. Yun ang importante kapag may maganda talagang receive. Madali ang buhay. Angel on the service line.
18 serving 11.
Inside.
That's in. Wow.
Wow.
Angel Hambacon serving aces. Timeout by the Lady Sags.
Corner pocket.
19-11 in favor of the Lady Red Spikers.
Yung bola, sino ba lamang? Ha? Hindi ka man lang umattempt doon. Pinalitan mo nga yun eh. Ganon din eh. Ganon din yung resulta eh.
It's not looking good for San Sebastian right now as they are trailing by 8.
8 points. San Sebastian needs to do something. Especially sa receive.
Nahirapan sila maka-proper receive dahil
Yes.
ang bibigat.
Mabibigat.
Kargado yung mga serve ni Angel. But that time, miss-hit.
Miss-hit.
Marasigan serving.
Okay lang. Next play.
Next play. Kaya pa yan. Sabi nga nila.
There's the pass. Hiponya to the middle.
Wait,
Cañete.
confusion there. Ooh,
Gracie Hiponya.
Hiponya.
Grace Hiponya.
Smart play.
Substitution for the
2
Lady Red
points.
Spikers. Number 4, Biong for number 17.
So, yung drop ball tally natin from the setter, 1-all.
1-all pala.
Kasi si Yvonne
Si Yvonne
kanina,
pala.
nakadrop
1-all.
kanina no second set eh. 1-all.
1-all.
Sinigurado ni Hiponya na hindi matatapos yung larong to na
Hindi siya nakadrop.
hindi siya nakakaisa. Sarili ng version.
Yes. And why not? Pag ganun kabilis ang rally, it's the perfect time.
Ball out.
Sa challenge ba? Hindi mukhang, mukhang hindi to challenge. Nope, they don't challenge it even though the players wanted or felt that there was a touch. Amber Biong. Ang kulang na lang maka-ace to eh. Kasi kanina pa siya pinapasok eh. Service specialist.
Cañete.
Cross court. Rhea
Perfect.
Cañete.
Beautiful spike. Mahaba.
I was also told before this game that Cañete is the lone graduating player on this San Beda side. So,
Wow. Everything is just working for San Beda.
and if you're Cañete, you want to get a win against your former team and kompleto na. Check.
Kompleto.
Kompleto na kasi ito yung sinabi ko kanina. Ang kulang na lang,
Maka-ace.
maka-ace itong si Amber
Yes.
Biong, service
Okay.
specialist.
On cue.
Well, actually, sorry, hindi pa kompleto. Kailangan muna manalo.
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 To complete.
2 points pa. Side quest lang pala yun.
Cañete again. Dikit.
Habakon. Biong pops it up. Navarro! Grabe yung hook.
Yes. And pabilis habang tumatagal, pabilis ang play.
Marasigan from the back row.
Lahat gustong kunin ang bola.
Bagsakan ng mga players
Bagsakan
ng
na.
San Beda. Ang
Yes.
haba din kasi ng rally eh. Nagpahinga muna ng konti. Okay? Ayan.
Yun na nga yung napansin ko kanina, medyo nagtrabaho na talaga sila sa depensa.
Malapit na
Malapit
para sa
na.
San Beda. Looking for their first win of the season.
Cañete. Easy over.
Oh!
Attack hitter.
And San Beda is at match point.
Match point.
And the San Beda Lady Red Spikers are now
And very
at
crucial
match
talaga
point.
tong win na to for them. Kailangan talaga nilang manalo this
Serving
this
for the
round.
match, Hiponya.
This is for their first win
First win.
in season 100 of the NCAA. The
Yes.
rookie setter, Gracie Hiponya. Now San Beda can set up the play. Bachar. Buhay pa to. Marasigan, back row. Bachar. Breaks down the wall. San Beda
Wow.
wins
San
their first
Beda.
game.
First win. Look at Angel.
First win high for San Beda University. First win as team captain para kay Rian Cañete.
Yes.